Hello Plaps, this is Phil from the Satoshi Engineering Crew, and I will shortly explain how to fund the tip cards and the recipient will redeem its gift in sats. You start with an unfunded tip card and scan it with your camera app. The QR code will send you to the funding page where you can enter the amount and the invoice text that will be shown later. Pay the Lightning invoice and your tip card is funded and ready to be gifted. Because the targeted people are no-coiners, they will also use their normal camera app, and the appearing page shows in the first section a short explanation about Bitcoin. The next part recommends the wallet of Satoshi, and in the third one, he or she can redeem in the sats. Just scan the QR code or click the link. In my case, the blue wallet opens because I have it installed. Done. Gentle Orange Pilling by Satoshi Engineering. The smoothest orange pills you can offer.